Say you cast a grapevine reporter, say reporter enam durubem enyempie na sa grapevine report no eno na nemafo betima ka say e rumors na sisi a uko Kumase a on the street of Kumase no ahemboboa no animu ho no kotoko discussion no akwa say Kumase Asante Kotoko is set to appoint Nana Pinkra as the board chairman of Krobi Asante Kotoko. And only grapevine reporter and namu say no ati free akoto internet, so which is social media agent treha ewo hopa na me report we no, to be very honest na mani age because ekobemu saa mani beje due to continuity and consistency. Nana Pinkra ebeso Kumase Asante Kotoko in 2023 together with Kwesi Appiah, Coach Ogum, and then former administrative manager of Kumase Asante Kotoko, Emmanuel Newton Dasobre, and why adwuma no for over a year. Menka say August mu. My appointments by around this time, yeah. And see, my adwuma no for over 1 year. And bibia a what football mua very important. They also usuan. Yes, this is the reporter. Some of the reporter agent on social media. So was say breaking. U24 said is set to name IMC chairman Nana Pinkra Kwesi Awuah as the new executive board chairman of Asante Kotoko, bearing any last-minute changes. Asante Kotoko will constitute a new board management team for the upcoming season. Board the seminar acquired the requirement of the Ghana Football Association licensing committee. No, now report which say bearing any last-minute changes. No, so last-minute in society amba utumfo say to the adwuma ne be man Nana Pinkra, and I feel say because of continuity any consistency or no. Or you're the best man for the job. Say yenkofa sikeni, yenkofa we no. To say the na make na. Me dey me bompa say say report we ebebem. Na kontumpo ni afere hene. Onto aso as the chairman of Kotoko. Inshallah the Kotoko be drenchri. Now Kotoko so a confirm we a story the ba say Kotoko ne DC United ebebo abruchiro ena Kotoko so I artwork kama we ye kwa abruchiri nti wo Kotoko card nya ready ahase October ye wo August September October 2 months and 3 months ebeko